This video is the second in a series of videos on Cubeviz. We will demonstrate how to select spatial and spectral region subsets for detailed analysis. We first select the Spatial Region tool and draw a circular region around the nucleus center. This is our first subset. The collapsed spectrum, corresponding to all of the pixels within the subset, is drawn in the spectral viewer below. We can then draw two additional subsets around the inflow and outflow components. We then choose the box zoom tool to zoom into the area of interest. Notice that the black spectrum, which represents the collapsed spectrum of the entire cube, has the most flux. The nucleus spectrum has slightly less, while the inflow and outflow spectra have the least. Next, we draw the spectral region subset using the Spectral Region tool. We first draw a subset around the spectral line of interest. We then draw a second spectral subset around a region we can assume to be representative of the background continuum. We now have 5 subsets in total. We export our newly collapsed spectra back into the notebook as Specutils Spectrum 1D objects using the Get Data from Viewer attribute. We export our spectral regions back into the notebook using the Get Spectral Regions attribute. We then apply the AstroPy spectral regions to the spectra. Finally, we display the resulting spectral subsets in matplotlib to confirm we have defined the correct regions of inters. In this case, we again see the strong nuclear component and weaker red and blue shifted components from the outflows. In our next video, we will demonstrate how to fit the underlying continuum and extract background model fits.